Health benefits of grapes. Grapes are a tasty and versatile fruit that can be enjoyed in a variety of ways. Not only are they a delectable snack, they also offer several health benefits. Grapes are an excellent source of antioxidants, which can help protect the body from cell damage. The polyphenols found in grapes can help reduce cholesterol levels, reducing the risk for cardiovascular issues. Grapes are also a good source of fiber, which helps support healthy digestion and can reduce the risk of some digestive issues. The vitamin K found in grapes has anti-inflammatory properties, and can help reduce the risk of inflammation-related conditions. Grapes also contain vitamins A and C, which can help boost the immune system and keep infections at bay. Grapes are also rich in electrolytes, which can help improve the body's overall hydration levels. This can help improve performance during exercise and physical activities. In addition to the health benefits, grapes can help satisfy sweet cravings without the added sugar and calories of other sweets. Grapes are a great addition to any diet, and a healthy alternative to processed snacks. Polyphenols are a category of compounds naturally found in plant foods, such as fruits, vegetables, herbs, spices, tea, dark chocolate, and wine. 1. They are a class of compounds that includes flavonoids, phenolic acids, lignans, and stilbenes. Polyphenols are beneficial compounds that can help reduce blood sugar levels, lower your risk of type diabetes, protect against heart disease, type 2 diabetes, and certain cancer. They also have antioxidant activity, protection against development of certain cancers, cardiovascular diseases, diabetes, and neurodegenerative diseases. Foods high in polyphenols include berries, herbs and spices, nuts, and vegetables. Grapes are an excellent source of nutrition and are packed with essential vitamins and minerals like vitamin C, vitamin K, and manganese. They are a rich source of antioxidants and are thought to help protect the body from chronic diseases like heart disease and some forms of cancer. Grapes also contain fiber, which aids in digestion, and resveratrol, a compound that has been linked to many health benefits such as reducing inflammation and improving brain health. Eating grapes on a regular basis can help to reduce cholesterol levels, improve blood pressure, and even help to protect the body from oxidative damage. Health benefits and nutrition go hand in hand. Eating a balanced, nutritious diet can provide a variety of health benefits, from improved cognitive function to helping prevent certain diseases. Eating a variety of whole grains, fruits, and vegetables can provide essential vitamins and minerals, while foods such as lean meats, nuts, and dairy products provide needed protein and calcium. Additionally, foods that are high in omega-3 fats, such as salmon and other fatty fish, help to prevent inflammation and may reduce the risk of heart disease and stroke. In addition to providing important nutrients, Regularly consuming a variety of healthy foods can help to maintain a healthy weight, reduce the risk of certain types of cancer, and can help to reduce stress and anxiety. Eating a variety of healthy foods can also help to boost energy levels and improve mood. Since many of these health benefits can be achieved by making small changes to your diet, it is important to make sure that you are eating a balanced diet and consuming the recommended daily amounts of certain nutrients. Grapes have long been touted as having a variety of health benefits, including providing relief from digestive issues such as an upset stomach. Grapes contain enzymes that may help break down undigested food particles, while the high water content makes them a mild diuretic that can help flush out your digestive system. The antioxidants and other compounds in grapes can also help reduce inflammation in the stomach and intestines, which can relieve many of the symptoms of an upset stomach, including nausea. Additionally, the high fiber content in grapes can help relieve constipation or diarrhea. Grapes are filled with powerful antioxidants and have a range of natural beauty benefits for the skin. The juice of grapes, or grapeseed extract, is rich in vitamin C and E, which are essential for healthy skin. Grapes can help protect skin from the sun's harmful rays and reduce visible signs of aging, such as wrinkles and dark spots. Grapeseed extract may also help reduce inflammation and redness. An easy way to take advantage of the beauty benefits of grapes is to apply mashed grapes or grape juice to the skin and rinse off with lukewarm water after 15 minutes. Eating grapes or drinking grape juice may help boost skin health as well. Grapes are an excellent source of vitamins, minerals, and other nutrients that can help keep your blood healthy. They contain flavonoids, anthocyanins, and resveratrol, which have been linked to improved cardiovascular health. Grapes are also a good source of fiber and are low in calories and fat. Eating grapes can help reduce risk factors for heart disease, such as high cholesterol and triglycerides. Additionally, the antioxidants found in grapes can help reduce inflammation and oxidative stress, which are linked to an increased risk of chronic conditions such as cancer, diabetes, and Alzheimer's disease. So grab a bunch of grapes and enjoy the health benefits. Grapes have long been thought to have a beneficial effect on lung health. Recent studies have found that eating grapes can help reduce inflammation in the lungs, making them healthier and more resilient. Furthermore, grapes contain a compound called resveratrol, which helps to reduce oxidative stress in the lungs and improve overall lung health. Overall, grapes are a great addition to your diet for better lung health. Grapes for eyes is an intriguing concept that leaves you wondering what could be the possible symbolism behind it. It could represent the idea of seeing the world in a new and different way, with a fresh perspective. It could also symbolize the idea of having a passion for something that drives you to look at it from a different angle. It could also be an expression of human frailty, an allusion to the fact that we, as humans, have limited vision and are often unable to see the big picture. Whatever the interpretation, grapes for eyes is a thought-provoking phrase that provides insight into the power of language and the ways in which it can be used to convey complex ideas.